Kia ora tātou. Just a bit of a revision on what we covered last night with KRY, ERY. Kapai. So I'll quickly just go through what we had a look at, and then I've also got some questions for you to have a practice, and then we'll go back over them next week. Okay, tuatai. I hea a kōrua tama I ngā pō. Okay, I hea, where was, a kōrua your, as in speaking to you two. Tama, with the a again, makes it plural. I hea a kōrua tama I ngā pō. Where were your sons last night? Okay, a kōrua, a for the plural, kōrua as in speaking to you two. Tuarua, number 2, kei hea o koutou kākahu tamariki mā. Children, where are your clothes? Again, the o in reference to the plural, and also with the importance of the clothing. We put the o instead of kei hea a koutou kākahu. Tuatoru, number 3, I awai a tātou pene e hoa mā. Friends who had, remember that I awai is a past tense. So who had, a tātou, our, a as in plural for more than one. So who had our pens? Okay, e hoa mā, friends. Okay, that's tuatoru. Again, tuawha, I awai, past tense, who had, o rāua, koti, their coats, as an awful plural, inanahi, yesterday. Tuarema, tokohia, a tātou mokopuna, tokohia, how many, a tātou, more than one, our, how many, mokopuna, grandchildren, how many grandchildren do we have? Kei hea o tātou hoa, inaia nei. Kei hea, where are our friends o tātou hoa, inaia nei now. Tua whitu, kei te aha o kōrua mātua, kei te aha what, o kōrua mātua, what are your parents doing? Or as in plural for parents. What are your, speaking to two people, parents doing? E hone, kei awai o tāua wakawhenua. Hone, who has, kei awai, our, who has our cars, or as in plural, for making it cars, if it was e hone kei awai tō tāua wakawhenua, then it would be hone, where is our car, as in one car. I te aha a tāua kōtiro I te ata nei. I te aha, again, I is in a tense for the past. I te aha, what, a tāua, our, kōtiro, girls, a as in for the plural. What did our girls, I te ata nei, do this morning? I te aha, a tāua kōtiro, I te ata nei. And here are our 5, here are your 5 questions that you can have a go at translating. Nō reira e hoa mā, kia pai te rā. Ka tūtaki anō tātou a tērā wiki. Kia ora.